I had to make this viral boat dip. I keep seeing it. It has been taunting me. It looks so delicious. The only problem is there's so many different recipes. I followed Sabrina Burke on TikTok. Emma Grace's mom is her handle. Let's start with a block of cream cheese. Get that mixed with a mixer. 16 ounces of sour cream. My original ingredient image shows a bigger container. I was wrong. We need 16 ounces of sour cream. 1 package of ranch seasoning. And then we're going to get mix this together with our handheld mixer. We're going to use a 14-ounce can of Southwest style corn, drained. Pretend you see me add that corn in the bowl. Now let's get a can of Rotel. It's supposed to be drained. I forgot to do that. I forget to do a lot of things, unfortunately. But mine was fine. 4-ounce can of diced green chilies, drained. And we're just folding everything in at this point. 8 ounces of shredded cheese. I use cheddar. And we're going to get that folded in. Now, with this dip, you do want to put it into the fridge for a few hours before serving, so keep that in mind when you're making this for a party. Here it is. After I've got everything incorporated together, I am tasting it, of course, before I put it in the fridge because it is so delicious looking. And it was absolutely as delicious as I was hoping. This will be definitely made again and again in our home. Give it a try. I hope you love it.